Kamusta mga Mitsubishi enthusiasts? Welcome back again dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ngayon ay meron akong exciting na balita para sa inyo. Dahil i-release natin ang updated prices ng aming model lineup from 2024 at 2025 Mitsubishi units namin. At nandito ako para i-breakdown natin yan isa-isa. Tatalakayin natin ang kanilang mga unit prices, all-in down payment, meron tayong mga unit na naka-zero down payment, free 2 months amortization or pay after 90 days, exclusive freebies na umaabot hanggang 30,000 pesos, at marami pang iba. Kaya buckle up at simulan na natin to. Unahin natin ang Mirage Hatchback at Mirage G4 Sedan. Perfect ito para sa city driving or sa mga startup family or sa mga dalaga or binata dyan na gusto maka-experience ng bagong sasakyan. Ito yung tamang-tamang unit para sa inyo. Dahil sa pagiging affordable at compact car nito at syempre sobrang tipid nito sa konsumo. 2024 Mirage Hatchback GLX Manual Transmission, SRP of 711,000 pesos, for cash transaction 606,000 pesos, for in-house bank financing, zero down payment, monthly amortization for 5 years, 14,508. For 2024 Mirage Hatchback GLX automatic transmission, SRP 772,000 pesos, for cash transaction 667,000 pesos, all-in down payment for in-house bank financing, zero down, 5 years amortization 15,752. For 2024 Mirage G4 GLX manual transmission sedan, SRP 769,000 pesos, for cash transaction 687,500. Option 1, no free 2 months amortization but all-in down payment is 0. 5 years 15,691. Option 2, free 2 months amortization or pay after 90 days on selected banks. All-in down payment 35,000 pesos, 5 years, 15,691. For 2024 Mirage G4 GLX CVT or automatic transmission, SRP 819,000 pesos, for cash transaction 733,400. Option 1, no free 2 months amortization but all-in down payment is 0. 5 years, 16,711. While for option 2, free 2 months amortization or pay after 90 days on selected banks. All-in down payment of 39,000 pesos. 5 years amortization, 16,711. 2024 Mirage G4 GLS CVT, SRP 899,000, for cash transaction 790,500. Option 1, no free 2 months amortization but all-in down payment of 0 down. 5 years 18,344. For option 2, free 2 months amortization or pay after 90 days on selected banks. All-in down payment of 39,000, 5 years, 18,344. Exclusive freebies, HD dashcam, rain visor, Mitsubishi keychain, umbrella, tint, set of floor mats, early warning device, basic tools, and jack. At para sa mga naghahanap ng kombinasyon ng style at performance, ang Mitsubishi Expander ay isang mahusay na pagpipilian para sa mga pamilyang naghahanap ng komportable, praktikal at modernong sasakyan na akma sa pang-araw-araw natin na pangangailangan. 2025 Expander GLX manual transmission, SRP of 1,068,000. For cash transaction, 958,500. All-in down payment of 55,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 25,000. 5 years, 21,792. For 2025 Expander GLS automatic transmission, SRP 1,216,000. For cash transaction, 1,097,500. All-in down payment, 62,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 31,000 pesos. 5 years, 24,812. 2025 Expander Cross Automatic, SRP 1,346,000. For cash transaction, 1,237,500. All-in down payment, 80,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 44,000. 5 years, 27,464. 2024 Expander GLX Automatic, SRP 1,128,000. For cash transaction, 1,019,500. All-in down payment, 60,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 29,000. 5 years, 23,016. Plus, free 1-month amortization or pay after 60 days on selected banks for Expander Cross unit only. Exclusive freebies: deep dish matting, Bosch horn, side step seal, rear step seal, expander hood emblem, headlight and taillight garnish, car cover, HD dashcam, rain visor, Mitsubishi keychain, umbrella, 3M tint, floor mats, early warning device, basic tools and jack. At syempre hindi papahuli ang ating L300 FBXC dual aircon. Isa ito sa pinakamatibay na kasanggamo sa negosyo, pwede rin para sa malalaking pamilya. 2024 L300 FB Dual Aircon, SRP of 1,032,542. For cash transaction, 930,402. All-in down payment, 55,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 30,000 pesos. 5 years, 21,068. Plus, free 2 months amortization or pay after 90 days on selected banks. Exclusive freebies: HD dashcam, rain visor, Mitsubishi keychain, umbrella, tint, floor mats, early warning device, and basic tools and jack. At ang pinakabagong lineup natin dito sa Mitsubishi, ang all-new Mitsubishi Triton, na mayroong bagong makina at makabagong teknolohiya dito sa kanyang unit. Kaya naman isa ito sa #1 best-selling pickup truck ngayon dito sa ating merkado. Mula sa pang-araw-araw na gamit hanggang off-road adventure experience, hindi ka iiwan nitong Mitsubishi Triton. 2024 Triton GL 4x4 manual transmission, SRP 1,157,000. For cash transaction, 1,142,000. All-in down payment, 160,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 129,000 pesos. 5 years, 23,608. For 2024 GLX 4x2 manual transmission, SRP 1,311,000. For cash transaction, 1,231,000. All-in down payment, 113,000 pesos. Special promo for RCBC approval, 78,000. 5 years, 26,750. 2024 Triton GLX 4x2 automatic transmission, SRP 1,383,000. For cash transaction, 1,298,000. All-in down payment, 122,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 84,000 pesos. 5 years, 28,219. 2024 Triton GLX 4x4 manual transmission, SRP 1,561,000. For cash transaction, 1,531,000. All-in down payment, 199,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 159,000. 5 years, 31,851. 2024 Triton GLS 4x2 automatic transmission, SRP 1,582,000. For cash transaction, 1,517,000. All-in down payment, 138. Special promo for RCBC approval, 98,000. 5 years, 32,280. Lastly, for 2024 Triton Athlete 4x4 automatic transmission, SRP 1,909,000. For cash transaction, 1,859,000. All-in down payment, 232,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 192,000. 5 years, 38,952. Exclusive freebies: deep dish matting, Rally Art skid plate, Bosch horn, side step seal, car cover, HD dashcam, rain visor, Mitsubishi keychain, umbrella, 3M tint, set of floor mats, early warning device, and basic tools and jack. At lastly, ang best-selling unit ng Mitsubishi, ang Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Kilala sa pagiging reliable at malakas na makina. At hindi lang yan, nagbibigay ng superior driving experience para sa ating mga users. 2024 Montero GLX 4x2 manual transmission, SRP 1,568,000. For cash transaction, 1,303,000. All-in down payment, 0 down. 5 years, 31,994. 2024 Montero GLS 4x2 automatic transmission, SRP 1,828,000. For cash transaction, 1,704,500. All-in down payment, 139,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 89,000. 5 years, 37,299. 2024 Montero Black Series 4x2 automatic transmission, SRP 2,103,000. For cash transaction, 1,857,500. All-in down payment, 49,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 0 down. 5 years, 42,910. 2024 Montero GT 4x4 automatic transmission, SRP 2,428,000. For cash transaction, 2,154,500. All-in down payment, 89,000. Special promo for RCBC approval, 39,000. 5 years, 49,541. Exclusive freebies: GT two-tone mags or Black Series mags, GT spoiler, deep dish matting, Bosch horn, side step seal, cargo trunk tray, car cover, HD dashcam, rain visor, tailpipe finisher, Mitsubishi keychain, umbrella, 3M tint, set of floor mats, early warning device, and basic tools and jack. Take note guys, hindi pa included ang out-of-town charge para sa ating mga kliyente na residing outside Metro Manila dito sa ating all-in down payment. At price may change without prior notice. At sa ngayon, ang ating monthly payment nag-vary siya depende sa ating makukuhang bank approval. Kung magkakaroon pala tayo ng changes dito sa ating mga prices, all-in down payment or monthly payment, i-update ko yan dito sa ating description ng ating video. I-discuss ko na rin pala dito ang inclusion para dito sa ating mga all-in down payment promo. Take note, para lang po ito sa mga all-in down payment promo. Hindi po included dito ang cash or pang PO. Bali sa all-in down payment promo, included na po yung 3 years LTO registration, 1 year comprehensive insurance with acts of nature, 3 years third-party liability insurance, at meron din tayong promo or program para sa ating Mitsubishi Montero, Expander, at Mirage G4. Meron tayong tinatawag na PMS Plus. Ito po ay nafi-free namin yung labor nyo from 1,000 km up to 20,000 km labor. So, malaking savings din po ito sa mga gusto mag-maintain sa kasa ng kanilang mga unit. So, ayan na nga po ang ating Mitsubishi lineup para sa 2024 and 2025 models natin. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng compact car, SUV, MPV, or powerful pickup, meron tayo may offer dito sa Mitsubishi. Guys, huwag niyo pala kalimutang i-like at mag-comment kayo dito sa ating video kung nagustuhan niyo po ito. At kung meron kayong mga special request na quotation or any concern kung ano yung mga requirements or any idea nyo kung may gusto kayo itanong sa akin, comment nyo lang po dito or nandito rin po ang aking contact number at ang aking Facebook and Viber account para makontak nyo po ako at ma-address natin ang inyong mga concern. Kung umabot po pala kayo dito sa ating dulo ng ating video, maraming salamat po sa panonood at suporta. At sana po ay nagustuhan nyo po itong ating video. And don't worry, marami pa po tayong gagawin ng mga video na related dito sa Mitsubishi para at least magkaroon po kayo ng idea. So hanggang dito na lang po. Drive safe at ingat palagi. Peace.